Every morning when I walk into this factory, I'm reminded that what we build here shapes history.
Now the assembly process begins. With each press, the sheet bends into what will become the receiver. The receivers are heat-treated to increase hardness and durability. After heating, they cool slowly to avoid structural weakness.
CNC machines cut precise holes and slots required for the internal mechanisms.
Every cut must be accurate, down to a fraction of a millimeter.
We verify each unit to ensure it meets exact specifications. Now we start work on the rifle's heart, the barrel. We drill straight through the steel to form the barrel's interior.
Next, we insert a mandrel to create the rifled grooves.
And in laugh. This is the birthplace of one of the world's most iconic weapons, the AK-47.
Meanwhile, another team crafts the iconic wooden stock. These spirals stabilize the bullet and ensure accuracy.
The barrels then undergo hammer forging for maximum strength.
Repeated strikes compress the metal and increase durability. The result is a barrel that can withstand extreme conditions.
With the barrel complete, we begin work on the gas system.
The gas tube channels pressure to cycle the rifle reliably.
The piston is what gives the AK-47 its famous rugged performance.
Next up is the bolt carrier group, the engine of the rifle.
We precisely mill each bolt carrier for a smooth cycling action. Even the smallest mistake here can cause malfunction.
And it all begins with these raw steel rods.
We test each bolt carrier for flawless movement.
The bolt itself is machined to lock perfectly into the chamber.
We rotate test every bolt to ensure precise locking.
Once aligned, the bolt is merged with the carrier group. This combined unit is now ready to be installed in the receiver.
Machine routers shape each piece with smooth curves.
A layer of varnish protects the wood from moisture and heat.
The pieces dry on racks until fully cured. We heat them to over 1,500 degrees to melt away impurities. The barrel is carefully fitted into the receiver. It is then tightened and locked into place.
We attach the gas tube above the barrel.
The piston system is inserted and aligned.
The bolt carrier group now slides smoothly into its channel.
Next, the trigger mechanism is added. Force sending message added.
Each piece must align perfectly for safe operation.
The wooden stock is secured to the back of the rifle.
The handguard is installed, protecting the user's hands from heat.
Deep inside the furnace, the steel transforms into molten metal.
With all parts in place, the AK-47 is fully assembled.
We conduct a visual inspection for any manufacturing marks.
The bolt cycle is checked for smooth back and forth movement.
Magazine fit is tested to ensure there is no wobble.
We measure the trigger pull weight for accuracy.
Each safety notch must operate with a distinct click.
Lubrication is added to prepare the rifle for test firing. The rifles are then transported to the test range.
Every AK-47 must pass a live fire test.
We load the magazine with standardized test rounds.
We pour the molten steel into molds where it begins to cool.
The rifle is aimed at a reinforced target board. Each rifle fires several rounds to test accuracy and stability.
We analyze the ejection pattern for proper cycling.
Each casing reveals details about chamber pressure and timing.
We inspect the bullet grouping for consistent accuracy.
If it passes all criteria, the rifle is approved. A unique serial number is engraved onto each rifle.
We confirm the engraving matches factory documentation.
Each rifle receives a final protective coat of oil.
The rifles are packaged securely to avoid damage. As it cools, it becomes solid again, ready for shaping. Pallets are prepared for transport across the world.
The pallets are loaded into secure shipping containers.
And just like that, another batch leaves the factory.
From raw steel to finished weapon, this is where the AK-47 is born.
And each one begins its journey right here.
This is the making of the AK-47 from start to finish.
These bars are then transported to the pressing station. This 400-ton press shapes the steel into flat sheets.
Every shot is precise, every action effortless.
As the day closes, another chapter in the AK-47's journey begins.
Soldiers carefully inspect every weapon for quality and readiness.
Now it's time for the rifle to be loaded and prepared for duty.
In certain cases, soldiers customize their rifles with attachments.
Out in the field, these rifles undergo rigorous training exercises.
From precision aiming to full automatic fire, each soldier learns to master the AK-47.
The AK-47's durability and reliability become evident in the harshest environments. After countless rounds, the barrel can heat up, but the rifle still performs. After intense use, maintenance ensures the rifle remains in peak condition. Routine cleaning is essential to keep the AK-47 running smoothly. Lubrication is critical to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation.
The spent shells eject with perfect rhythm as the rifle cycles. These crates will travel far, reaching destinations across the world.
Before storage, each rifle undergoes final safety checks. Once cleaned and checked, the rifles are stored safely, ready for future use.
Before deployment, each rifle is carefully inspected by the officers.
Rifles are loaded into vehicles for quick transport to the front lines.
The AK-47 is known for its ability to function under tough conditions.
At each checkpoint, the rifles are ready for immediate use.
The soldiers prepare themselves, knowing their AK-47 will be a reliable partner.
During combat training, the AK-47 proves its worth with every shot.
Each crate is carefully packed, sealed, and labeled for its journey. Each bullet impacts with deadly accuracy, a testament to the rifle's power. In combat situations, teamwork is key, and the AK-47 never falters.
The rifle's compact design is ideal for close-quarters battles.
It's also extremely effective in urban warfare, where every corner counts.
From desert sands to frozen mountains, the AK-47 adapts to every climate.
Cold temperatures and snow don't stop the AK-47. It thrives in the harshest environments. In dense jungles, the rifle remains a soldier's most reliable companion. The adjustable sights ensure that the soldier is always on target.
Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial for the rifle's longevity.
Protective oil shields the weapon from rust and ensures reliability.
From here, the journey is just beginning.
After a long day, soldiers perform routine maintenance on their weapons.
Even in training, the AK-47 shows its exceptional reliability and ease of use.
Precision is key. Each shot must hit its mark.
In burst fire mode, the AK-47 becomes a machine of destruction.
A quick reload allows soldiers to stay in the fight longer. In dense jungles, soldiers rely on their AK-47s to clear a path. Once the exercise ends, the rifle is safely deactivated.
Another mission accomplished, thanks to the AK-47.
Reloading is simple, quick, and efficient.
Once cleaned and checked, the rifles are ready for the next mission.
The AK-47 will soon reach the hands of those who need it most.
Before every mission, a final briefing ensures everyone is prepared.
Mounted rifles provide vital firepower during convoy operations.
They enter the combat zone, fully equipped and ready for action.
With night vision, the AK-47 can operate effectively even in total darkness. The AK-47 is built to endure all terrains, from rocky hills to deserts.
Rapid firing doesn't affect its performance. The AK-47 keeps on going.
In moments of tension, the AK-47 is a soldier's most trusted ally.
The AK-47, tough, reliable, and always ready for action.
Every soldier trusts the AK-47 to be ready when the moment comes.
From battlefield to battlefield, the AK-47 continues to write history.
The journey continues through ports, airports, and customs checkpoints. And the cycle begins again, with the next batch of AK-47s waiting to be born. From raw steel to battlefield, the AK-47 stands as a symbol of strength and reliability.
Once it arrives overseas, it's offloaded for distribution. By train, the rifles travel long distances, reaching new territories.
The crates finally reach their final destination, military storage.
Every day, the factory hums with the energy of creating another legendary weapon.
The rifles are brought forward for a final inspection and distribution.
Through harsh terrains, the rifles travel, knowing they will soon be deployed in critical missions. Arriving at their final destination, the rifles are ready to be distributed to the front lines. With every adjustment, the rifle becomes more attuned to the soldier's needs.
The rifle's accuracy and reliability are tested during live fire exercises.
Maintenance is key to ensuring the rifle remains effective and safe. The AK-47 withstands the punishment of repeated firing, still ready for action.
Reloading is quick and effortless, ensuring that soldiers are always ready.
With the right attachments, the AK-47 becomes even more versatile for stealthy operations.
The AK-47 is equally effective in urban environments, where maneuvering is key.
Play.
The precision of each worker ensures that every part is made to perfection.
The next step in the journey begins, delivering these rifles to those in need.
Its firepower and dependability make it a formidable force in combat situations.
Safety and precision are always top priorities in battle.
The recoil spring absorbs shock, allowing for rapid follow-up shots without losing control.
Even in the heat of battle, reloading is done instinctively, ensuring continuous firepower. As a unit, the soldiers and their AK-47s move with purpose, ready to respond to any threat.
In full auto mode, the AK-47's power is unleashed in a rapid succession of shots.
After a hard exercise, the rifle rests, but the cycle of use continues.
Soldiers often customize their rifles with different attachments to suit the mission.
The rifle's versatility is clear as soldiers adapt to changing combat conditions.
After each field exercise, every part of the rifle is inspected for wear and tear.
Every detail counts. The gas piston is a crucial component of the AK-47's gas-operated mechanism.
The battlefield is chaotic, but the AK-47 remains a constant force in the fight. From a humble factory in the heart of the Soviet Union to the global stage, the AK-47 has earned its place in history. From raw steel to one of the world's most iconic weapons, the AK-47 continues to shape the course of history.
The frame is forged with the same durability that's at the heart of every AK-47.
Advanced machinery is used to shape the barrel, ensuring perfect alignment for accuracy.
Once shaped, every barrel is rigorously tested for durability and precision.
The assembly line is a synchronized dance, with each worker playing a vital role in creating the final product.
Before a rifle leaves the factory, it's thoroughly tested to ensure flawless operation.
Once tested, the rifles are securely packed, ready for shipment to military units around the globe.